Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 17th of May 2025 and the weather in London is absolutely beautiful, but the night temperature is still dropping down below 10 degrees Celsius. Still a little cold for desi vegetable to grow in the UK. Now, last night I came back from a holiday which I was there for about 3 weeks and I traveled 5 different countries. It was an epic journey for me. I went to Bangladesh, Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam and Laos, and it was absolutely beautiful. In today's video I thought I'll give you a full update on the garden, how the plants are doing, a few important tips on how to do 3G cutting properly so you get the best out of your bottle gourd plants. This is one of my bottle gourd plant. It is ready for me to plant outside. But I'm going to wait another few more days actually. The weather forecast for next week, the night temperature should stay above 10 degrees Celsius. So I'm going to wait till another 2 or 3 days before I plant this outside. Now these are two of the plants that are planted in here inside the greenhouse. And I'm happy to say, mashallah, it has reached the trellis, top of the trellis. It's about 6 foot tall now. And the plant is looking beautifully healthy. It is time for me to show you how to do a 3G cutting on the plant and how to take care of your bottle gourd at this stage so you get the most out of it. So there's 2 plants in here. Both of the plants are doing really well. Now the first thing you'd want to do is to cut off all the lower leaves. So let's cut off all the low leaves of the plants. Get a sharp pair of scissors and cut off all the low leaves. And any side stem below six leaves, take them off. So this is a side stem. So that's the main stem going up. And this is a side stem. I'm going to chop that off. So this is also a side stem. I'm going to pinch that off. Okay. Now this here is also a side stem. This one here. Because it's below 6 leaves, I'm going to pinch that off. I've cut off all the bottom leaves and pinched off all the side stem below 6 leaves. So this is the main stem. The shoot growth is grown all the way up to the trellis. It's about 6 foot tall now. So I don't want this shoot to grow any taller. I want to promote side shoots. So I'm going to pinch off the growth stem about here. So take a sharp pair of scissors and cut the shoot growth just above a large leaf. Now this shoot growth will not grow any taller. It will promote side growth now. So this is the main stem, which is known as the first generation. I've taken off the growth stem. Now this plant will not grow any taller on this main stem. It will promote side stem now. Now, to keep it simple for you to understand, once your hodu plant has reached top of the trellis, it depends how tall your trellis is. Once your plant gets to about 6 foot tall, pinch off the growth stem so that that stem doesn't grow any further and the plant produces side stems. Now on your side stem, every 8 leaves, take off the growth stem on that, so the side stem doesn't grow any taller and produces 3rd generation stem. Now your 3rd generation stem produces more female flowers, so we want less male flowers and we want more female flowers. This is why we do the pruning. So mashallah, the chili plants are doing really good. They're producing chilies for me. This is a dwarf variety and it's a purple color. It's beautiful looking chili. I think I'm going to try this with my meal today. Looking very nice, producing plenty of chilies. And the Naga chili plant is producing Naga chili for me. I think this one is a boot jolokia, and it's producing nice spots, lots of flowers, and it's producing lots of chilies for us. Another 2 more months and I'll be harvesting many ghost peppers from this plant here. Looking very beautiful. The tomato plants inside the greenhouse is doing really good. I have one plant in here and it's producing lots of tomatoes for us. And the cucumber plants are doing good. All my plants are outside now. At night time I bring them in just in case, because the night temperature gets still quite cold. So during the day I'm acclimatizing the plants. So as you can see, all my plants are outside. These are tomato plants doing really good. This is a Naga chili, and look at this, it's producing chilies. This is a Bujoloki, I think. The eggplants are doing fantastic. They're doing really good and starting to produce now. I've been keeping them inside the greenhouse. It's only daytime I bring them out. Let me show you the woody plants. Okay, this is bitter gourd, and this is a sponge gourd. I'm going to plant them out another 2 more days, 2 or 3 more days, and I'm going to plant them out. I'm going to be patient. Hopefully from next week the temperature, night temperature, will stay above 10 degrees Celsius. Now these are hot loving plants. They don't tolerate cold. This is another chili plant. So these are my uri plant. They're ready for me to plant them out. Another few more days and they will go. I'll plant them. Tomatoes are doing excellent. The tomatoes are doing really good. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share the videos with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.